Penne pasta. I have already boiled the penne pasta, kept it in the boiling water for 5 minutes, and they are al dente. See how soft they are. So now they are done, and I have put 1 teaspoon of oil over them. Here we have chopped mushroom, beans, onions chopped. We'll take some cloves, garlic cloves, and then we are going to take coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaf, chop them. Take refined oil in a pan. Firstly, we are going to add the chopped garlic and the coriander leaf. Add onion to it, the whole onion. And then we are going to, after 2-3 minutes, add beans to it. Let's just stir it. With this beautiful onion and coriander garlic, we will add the mushrooms now and saute them. We'll stir them for another 7 minutes. To these mushrooms, since they have their own water, I'm going to add beans because I want soft beans. We'll let them cook for some time. So here I have made pasta sauce already with pasta pizza sauce from Fun Foods, and I've also added 2 teaspoons of Alfredo pasta sauce also. That is finished now. So it was 2 spoons of Alfredo pasta sauce, that is white sauce. The same comes from Dr. Oetker, and white sauce, that is. And I mixed both, and 2 teaspoons of white pasta sauce of Fun Food, and tomatoes, roughly 6 tomatoes. Mix them in 2 teaspoons of refined oil, and you will get this gravy paste. So here to this I'm going to add black pepper, half a teaspoon, to add a little dice of butter. We'll add little butter to this. I've already added some before, so just adding little more. So this is extra flavor. So nice creamy flavor will come with this butter. I roughly about 2 hours sauce is, see, it is sticking. All the mushrooms, as I told you, they are sticking in the base. The mushrooms are done. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take about my pasta now and add to it. All the pasta cubes I'm adding to this, so that they can pick up the sauce, the flavor of the black pepper and then the sauce. I've also added pinch of salt to this. We have added pinch of salt to it. I'm going to stir the pasta so that it picks up the flavor of the mushroom and the black pepper and the sauce flavor. At this point, I will reduce the gas to the minimum and stir it. So I'm going to add about 2 big spoons of, let's just mix 1.5 tablespoon of the sauce to the pasta, and the gas is on minimum. So this is penne pasta in red sauce. I don't want to add too much of sauce. I think this much is good enough. If you want, you can add more sauce. So this is really good amount. We've added 6 tomatoes to it, chopped. So this is really yummy. The flavor is coming out so nice. So if you like more sauce, you can add more. There is more sauce here, but I don't want it all saucy. I want to have the different flavor of all the vegetables. So otherwise the sauce will overpower. So this is your beautiful, gorgeous penne pasta, and very delicious. And you can make it at home. Just in case it's a lockdown and you don't have Fun Foods pizza pasta sauce. What you can do is take onions, about 4 onions, and whole garlic piece, chop it, roast it, and add boiled tomato to it, about 8 boiled tomatoes. After the onions are sauteed, then you add the boiled tomatoes. So boiled tomatoes give sweet flavor. Alright, so this is really nice, and then you can add few seasoning with black pepper to it like I just did, and salt. The best is black pepper and salt. If you have other spices like thyme and oregano, that's okay, but black pepper is just perfectly fine. So I'm going to enjoy my pasta. Let's serve it. So this is the gorgeous homemade penne pasta. You can see how delicious it is. So really nice. Please try it. You can add 2-3 mint leaves if you don't have thyme and all. So this is really nice. Don't add too much of mint, it will get bitter. So this is homemade penne pasta, just restaurant style, gorgeous. So I hope that you enjoy your Sunday today. This is to your good health, and don't forget to eat your greens and red tomatoes. Have a nice day.